more or less agree with all the teachers is that if today simulators are 5-10% of the curriculum, in a short period of time, maybe 5-6 years, this will go to the 80% probably, because the effectiveness of learning with simulators is completely different as the traditional way to teach. So we will have more simulators, more sophisticated, for more different profiles, for more different elements, and this will change completely the way to form the training courses in the training institutions. In the more specific managing of means of transport, cars, trucks, planes, this kind of stuff, simulators are already the only way to train mainly. And this will change also in the learning programs, in the training programs. We'll have this what's called now serious games. The serious games are the ones which allow the students to perform the transactions in a situation very close to reality, and this changed completely the retention of the concepts that they will have and the quality of the education of